What's up guys? For today's video, Realme has released a new C-series smartphone which is the Realme C53. And we will be doing an unboxing video of this smartphone. Let's get to it! Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So first we will do an unboxing and then later on I will show you some features of the Realme C53. Now let's start with the unboxing. Here is the adapter with the 33 watts Super VOOC charge. And look, it comes with a free jelly case. So here is the Realme C53 on the color Mighty Black. And if you look at the design, it seems a little rough, but actually it is very smooth when you touch it. So as you can see guys, this is the Realme C53. So for Realme C53, we have two variety of colors, which is Champion Gold and Mighty Black. And as you can see, this is the color of Mighty Black. So here in the bottom part, we have for your earphones, for your headset, headphones, microphones, and then we also have Type-C charger, and we also have here for your audio. And for the right side guys, we have the power button with fingerprint sensor and the volume buttons. So we also have here on the left side, we have here the micro SD and SIM holder. 2 nano SIM cards for you to use. I also have 1 micro SD which provides more space for you to use. So now let us move on to the 3 key features of this Realme C53. So its first key feature is the 33 watt Super VOOC charging. And its battery has 5000 mAh which you can use for a whole day and a half. Realme C53 has a large storage and has a large RAM. And as you can see, it has a total of 128GB of storage. And here we can also expand the RAM up to 6GB. And if you're into games, Realme C53 is the phone for you. So hindi lang isang laro ang pwede mo ma-download dito, kundi marami pang games. Karamihan sa mga games natin ngayon is madami na talaga yung storage na nakakain niya. It requires a lot of storage. And not only that guys, because aside from its phone storage, we also have a micro SD slot which gives you another additional storage. Just take a look at the details and colors of the phone. And now let's check the camera of the Realme C53. As you can see here on the back, we have 2 cameras here, and then this one is for the flashlight. So for the front camera, we have 8 megapixels, and for the back camera, we have 12.5 megapixels. We also have a 90Hz refresh rate. With Realme C53 90Hz refresh rate, you can play games and watch films and movies more smoothly with better FPS and image quality, providing a smoother and better gameplay. And if you're asking where can you buy this phone? Well, you can buy it on Lazada, Shopee, or any Realme store. And if you are here in the Philippines and in Palawan, you can buy it on our store, which is the Kyla Cellphone and Accessories. We have many different branches from Brooks Point, Batarasa, Rio Tuba, and Quezon. And you can check more infos and updates on our official Facebook page. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and buy Realme C53 right now. Well, that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.